Today I will tell you how I created my content creation journey by answering this email titled Need Advice Aspiring Content Creator from D. I'm Dean Makaraig and I'm a fan of your work, especially in TikTok. I've been considering becoming content creator as well, mainly to review different tech products such as mechanical keyboards. I need some professional advice from you. Wow, professional advice. One of my favorite tech product related accounts. I currently do not have the funds to buy my own products to review as I am still a student. My first question is, how do I get products to review without stable income and an established audience to garner sponsorship? I do not have a spot in my house where I can create content that looks good to viewers, such as in your content. Parang di naman. Do I need to have a professional looking room to create a content in? Is it a requirement I need to invest into first before creating content? As a beginner and aspiring content creator, I do not know where to begin. You have an established fan base and have been doing content for a while now. My last question is, do you have any advice on how can I start? I am afraid of what people will think. Maybe they will not like the look of my room or my content. Maybe they will find me boring. Maybe all the downside will make me quit. Despite this, I'm eager to not keep planning, but rather I want to finally take the first step that can start my career in a tech product review industry. I hope this email finds you well, and I hope you will be able to consider replying back by providing me with a professional advice, and I hope to gain from you. Keep up with great content. Sincerely, Dean Makaraig. Meron siyang 3 questions sa email na yon. Una is, how do I get a product to review without stable income and an established audience to garner sponsorship? Number 1, start with what you have. Magbigay ka ng value to your audience. Ito yung mga pwede mong ibigay without giving a physical things. For example, entertaining videos like fun-to-watch videos, B-rolls, memes. Number 2 is relatable contents. Share your experience with a certain product. Like, kunyari, may experience ka with your mouse, with your keyboard. Yan, make a video about it. And next is informational videos. Ito naman something that they will learn from. Like tips, how to, did you know videos, mga ganyang bagay. Kahit ano, basta may matutunan sila dun. Pangalawa is review your own peripherals. Kung ano yung current na gamit mo na headphones, ano yung current na gamit mo na mouse, or monitor, or keyboards, or phone, earphones, mga ganyan. Kumbaga, i-maximize mo yung pwede mong gawing content sa isang bagay o sa isang peripheral. Ganyan. And lastly, buy something second-hand or brand new and then sell it after. After mo gawa ng unboxing, ng review, ng thoughts, ibenta mo. So the first answer sa first question ko is start with what you have, give value to your audience, review your own product, and then buy something second-hand or brand new and then sell it after. Okay, next question is, do I need to have a professional looking room to create a content in? Is it a requirement I need to invest into first before creating content? The answer is no, you don't need a good looking room. Ang masasabi ko lang is create a small space where you can create your contents. Sabihin natin sa isang sulok or sabihin natin sa tapat ng window. So all you need is your phone to record, a tripod for a steady footage, and natural lighting if wala ka pang budget for a lights. And if you're going to shoot at night, make sure na makapag-invest ka sa kahit cheap na softbox. You don't need an expensive camera para lang makagawa ng high quality na video. So you can start with what you have, your phone, and then mag-improve or mag-upgrade ka na lang along the way. And then the last question, do you have any advice on how I can start? Parang mali yung nalagay ko. Pero ito na, haba-haba to, so make sure to take note. Be authentic as possible. Make sure na you don't create or make a video that look like an ad. Kasi sino namang gustong manood ng mga ads, di ba? For sure, ini-skip lang yan or ini-swipe up lang yan ng mga tao. And if tatanungin nyo naman ako if bakit ganun ako gumawa ng content, well, it's because that's my branding and yun yung dedication na gusto kong gawin para sa channel or para sa account na to. And also, yun yung dream ko to make good quality videos and to make good quality content as possible. Content mismo or video quality. This way, na-fulfill ko yung dream ko na maging filmmaker kasi yun yung the one that got away ko So next, create everyday if you can. Post at least 3 videos kasi yun yung ginagawa ko before nung nagsa-start ako. 3 video ako araw-araw. Don't be a perfectionist, analysis paralysis. Sobrang ina-analyze mo na yung mga bagay-bagay and sobrang okay ba to? Maganda ba yung title ko? Maganda ba yung color grade ko? Maganda ba yung text ko? Title ko? Ganyan. So, hindi mo na na-upload. So, iisipin mo na naman, madedeli na naman yung video, hindi ka na makakapag-upload. Ang payo ko lang is be 100% Be 1% better every day. Improve along the way. Okay lang kahit pangit pa yan sa una. Make sure lang na natututo ka along the way. Don't look at the numbers. Look at how you can improve every video. Don't look at the goal. Look at the progress. embrace and love the process. Just do it. My most performing videos are those videos that I just did without a script and pure kalokohan lang. My videos with less views are those videos which I put a lot of time and effort creating script and shooting. So madalas you'll find your quality videos pag gumawa ng maraming videos. And my last tip is invest in audio quality dahil mas papanoorin ng tao yung maganda yung audio quality kesa sa video quality. Ginawan ko yun ng video, check out nyo na lang kung bakit. Play ko na nga lang. Ayun. Viewers get invested in the story. Kahit na pangit yung quality ng videos mo, if you know how to tell a story, people will listen. Poor videos can be aesthetic or artistic. Yan na, nawala na ako. Isa sa pinakamalaking investment ko nang sisimula ako is my Rode NTG2. Wait lang, asa na yun? Yawn! To. And nabili ko siya ng second hand around 14k or 12k, mga 12k, ganyan. Sinasabi ko to dahil I know the feeling, alam ko kung gaano kahirap magsimula from zero. And I've been there. Yung anxiety na mag-work kaya yung mga investment ko along the way or in the future. Magiging successful kaya ako sa path na to. So nung nabasa ko tong comment na to, basahin ko lang. Asan na ang comment? By Val. Idol, baka naman po may pag-giveaway ka dyan na mic for vlogging po. Nagsisimula pa lang po kasi ako at walang budget pambili ng mamahaling na mic for vlogging na makakalis sa background noise. Android phone ko lang po kasi ang gamit ko at hindi mamahalin or magandang quality ng audio recording. Kaya rinig lahat ng nagre-record ako ng voice over. Sana mapansin, tanggapin ko po yan kahit hindi pa branded basta galing sa inyo. So nung nabasa ko to, doon na nag-connect since marami akong mga mic na hindi na ginagamit and na-review ko na rin naman na pinaplano ko na lang na ipag-giveaway. Hindi lang isang giveaway, hindi lang 2 giveaway, hindi lang 3 giveaway, at hindi lang 4 na giveaway, kundi 5 mic giveaway. Zilsound K35, K66, K37, Fantech Leviosa, and T-Find A8. So ang plano, bibigay ko na to sa 5 aspiring content creators, and all you have to do is comment which one is your favorite out of the 3 sa YouTube video na to. And make sure panoorin yung buong video. Create a short review about anything that you have and then tag me. Yun lang. Bahala na kayo if gusto nyo mag-subscribe, i-share, i-like, or i-comment, or mag-tag ng friends. Bahala na kayo. Basta ako, para sa inyo to. Yun lang, I will pick 5 winners and i-announce ko sa YouTube channel ko. Siguro mga 10k subs. Joke lang, mga 5k subs lang siguro. Or 100k followers sa TikTok. Good luck. I'm rooting for all of you and keep creating. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Baliktad pala. Malayo pa pero malayo na. Don't give up dahil good things take time. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And yun lang. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.